How to keep your Snapchat account safe with two-factor authentication. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to keep your Snapchat account safe from hackers? Enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA is must. Here how to set it in just a few simple steps. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon and go to settings by tapping the gear icon at the top right corner. Now, scroll down and select two-factor authentication. Here, tap continue and choose how do you want to secure your account, either via text message or in authentication app. Follow the prompts to verify and you are all set. Your account is now protected with an extra layer of security. And that's it. Stay safe out there and enable 2FA today. And your snaps will be for your eyes only. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.